How to create a REDnote account. Alright, so what you have to do first is you're gonna go on your App Store or Play Store and you're gonna search up REDnote. Then once you search up REDnote, you're gonna have to install it. Then once you install, you're gonna have to open the app. Then once you open the app, you're gonna have to click on Me. Then once you click on Me, you're gonna have to click on Login. From there, as you guys can see, you could log in with your phone number, which is something I'm not gonna do. So I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna click on Other Login Methods. Now, as you guys can see, for me, I only have two options, which is my phone number and my Apple account. So I'm gonna just click on my Apple account. Now from there, they should tell you to agree and continue. So just click on that, accept the terms of conditions. Then once you do that, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, I'm just gonna have to click on continue with password. Then once I put in my password, it should take a while and it should take me to this page right here. Now you could select whatever you're interested in, or you could just skip this. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna just click on skip. And now if I click on my account right here, as you guys can see, I have created my REDnote account. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.